How to download pCloud on your Mac. I'm right here on the main page for actually downloading the app version of pCloud. Now, first things first, just below this video in the video description, I have a free trial of pCloud. You can click on that and you will find yourself on this page or a similar page. From here, all you need to do is click download right here, this download button. And just like that on your Mac, you see the icon went flying up in the top right, which is the universal symbol that someone has downloaded to your downloads folder. I'm right here on Google Chrome. So as you see in the instructions here, by default, that will send to your downloads location, which is for me, the downloads folder. From there, you just open up the app and install from there, as you can see with these instructions. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like. Click on my link and get that free trial and check out pCloud and whatever offers they've got currently, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.